a bird. Look at the bird's beak. It is long or short. Look at the bird's legs. Are they long or short? Is this a stork? No, it is not a stork. What color is it? What color is the bird's beak? Look at the bird in the sky. The sky is blue. Can you see the clouds? They are white. Can you see the clock? It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The sun is shining. It is very hot. The bird is very hot and very tired. It is looking for some water. The bird is looking down. What can it see? It can trees and houses. There's a river. There water in a river. No, it is not a river. There is no water. The bird is very hot and very tired. The bird is looking down. What can it see? It can see the sea. Look at the sea. Look at the ships. They are water in the sea, but the bird cannot drink it. They are salt in the water. The bird is very tired and very hot. Bye bye.